Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how do you request refund payment on your PayPal. So firstly, open your PayPal account. So I'll log into your account. So once I've already logged into your account, and then go to your activities tab here. So on your activities tab here, once you get there, what you have to do is choose the transaction that you want to refund. For example here, so choose the transactions. So once you click on it, all right, so this should open the details, and here once it open the details, you'll see an option called refund this payment. All right, so refund this payment, so click on that, click on refund this payment, and here you can choose whether it's a full refund or partial refund. So you can enter the amount here. All right, enter the amount here, and then the invoice number and all these things, it's optional. And then once you're done with that, then click on issue refund, and that should initiate the process of refunding. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.